Ash,
Yes.
congratulations on making the team.
Thank
Big smile on your face when you got the news. What was it like in the Phillip household?
Oh, it's like a party. They're throwing barbecues for themselves, let alone for me. But no, they're so happy for me because it was a team effort. After the 8 years that I've had, it was all down to their support. So it was a family. How can I say it? Just a family celebration.
I mean, your family are real supportive. I see them in the stands pretty much everywhere I go. Saw them in Holland and Amsterdam when you finished fourth. How much has that support, been? How much does it mean to you? How important has it been in terms of your own growth and keeping the faith and, staying on track? Excuse the pun.
They are my rocks, honestly. And if I could carry them in my pocket everywhere, I would. They keep me sane as much as how crazy I am. They support me so much and I love them to bits. And it's a shame I can't bring all my family out, but my mum and her two crazy sisters, that's the thing all I need. Plus, they're trying to scare my coach, if anything. So I love them and I love when they always come to support me.
I don't think I've seen you work as hard as you have over the last 12, 24 months to put yourself in the shape that you're in. Tell me about that journey and getting to this point and, what putting in all that hard work means to you and getting the reward of making the team to the Olympics.
Well, I've made a lot of sacrifices this year. Obviously, I left London and now I live in Loughborough with a brand new coach, new training group. That was an experience for me because it was Loughborough, a small town, and I'm a big city girl. Just learning just more about myself, living by myself and doing all of that. And to know that all my hard work and sacrifices that I've made to obviously make the team have all come true, and I actually am going to Rio, so that was an accomplishment for me. So I'm proud of myself.
I saw you send out congratulations to the trampolining team on Twitter. That could have been you.
Trampolining, I was okay at. I'm more of a double mini trampolinist, which isn't an Olympic sport, but I am proud of them. I've known them for years, and honestly, I cannot wait to see them because it's been a long time since I've actually been to a trampoline event. I wanted to go to their nationals this year, but obviously we had relay, and obviously that is my main priority. But no, I'm proud of them. That's a good team, and they worked hard themselves, and I cannot wait to see them out there in Rio.
London Anniversary Games, quick track, good competition, great opportunity for you to put down a marker for yourself ahead of the Olympics.
Definitely, I think it will give me a good boost if I run what I should be running right now and run well. It's a quick track, like you said. I'm looking forward to running, and definitely the home crowd is what I love the most. Like, when you're here, the roar that the crowd give you, and just knowing that you're a British athlete and then that they support you is just what we need, and it's lovely, and I cannot wait to just be on that track and just feel that vibe.
How long before you join that sub 11 club?
Oh God, I'm hoping this year. It's got to be this year. I've got Rio, the weather is going to be beautiful out there. London this weekend might be beautiful, so you never know, it might come quicker than expected, but I've put in the work to do it, so I'm hoping I can finally accomplish it.
Obviously, Rio's a chance for you to really extend yourself. What do you expect, in terms of achievement once you get out there?
Obviously, a personal best. Definitely, I'm going to aim for the final. I wouldn't be a strong athlete if I didn't want to make the Olympic final. But obviously, we've got the relay that I'm looking forward to. The girls are amazing, and I know they're going to perform well as individuals. So that would be a great team that we have. And I'm looking forward to just doing me and just relaxing and just doing my best.
No niggles, body in 100%?
I am finally in just one whole piece that isn't broken. But we're just going to hope and pray that I stay the same and I can perform well with it.
This is a question I've asked everybody. You're going to the Olympic Games. Obviously, it's a dream come true. Where you are in your career, does it look like what you dreamed of? Does it look like the vision you had in your head when you were a little girl?
Well, obviously, it was started at London 2012 that I thought I could make the team. Well, not even that, Beijing. But to say that I've made Rio, it's a great stepping stone. It's a pinnacle thing in my life to say, like, I'm actually going to Rio for Olympics to compete at the individual, let alone just relay. So I'm looking forward to that. It's something I have dreamt of, and I know, obviously I didn't want to be in this situation, obviously having previous knee injuries, hamstring injuries and everything else. But no, you can't really, dreams don't always come the way you want it, but if it does come true, I'll just take it. So this is a dream for me to go to Olympics, and I'm proud of myself for that.
Well done, congratulations.